Did you know? The Swedish warship VASA, built between 1626 and 1628, sank just after sailing roughly 1,300 meters into her maiden voyage on August 10, 1628, due to major design flaws. Despite being one of the most powerful warships of its time, the VASA capsized in Stockholm harbor. Rediscovered in 1956 and salvaged in 1961, it stands as a remarkably preserved 17th-century vessel, offering insights into naval technology. Now displayed in the VASA Museum, it serves as a unique historical artifact, showcasing both the grandeur and pitfalls of maritime engineering in the early 1600s. For more facts, please subscribe.